Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to remove Meta AI button in WhatsApp. To start with this one, this is going to be the Meta AI button. If you click on this one, as you can see, ask Meta AI anything. So some people like this, personally I would love this, but not all people love this option. So how can we remove this one? By simply going on settings right there, going to chats, and there should be an option that says turn it off, or turn off Meta AI button. And it should be looking like this one right here. As you can see, there is a show Meta AI button, just turn this off. Now for example, let's just say you cannot see that one. What you can do is basically clear all chats here, and then delete all chats, or rather clear all chats, and basically remove your application. Delete it first. After that one, going on the App Store right there, we're going to make sure we are up to date. Simply clicking on that one right there, click WhatsApp, and basically for this one, make sure that this is going to be up to date. Now for some reason, going on settings right here, and click on general, look for the one that says apps, should be around here somewhere. As you can see right here, click on WhatsApp right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove here, and then clear on cache. So basically that's what we're doing. We're going to clear everything and then reinstall WhatsApp. And moving forward, you can now see that button and simply delete it moving forward. Just disable that one. Now, for some reason, everything is still not working. Click on Help, and then click on Help Center. And then basically for that one, tell them that you need that button to be installed. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.